Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tom Yum chicken soup. First, gather your essential ingredients like fresh lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, and quality fish sauce. These aromatics are crucial for the authentic flavor. You'll also need chicken broth, chicken pieces, and some vegetables. The entire process is quite quick, taking approximately 20 minutes from start to finish, making it perfect for a weeknight meal. To begin building that signature Tom Yum flavor, gently bruise your lemongrass stalks and slices of galangal. This helps release their aromatic oils into the broth. Next, combine these with kaffir lime leaves in a pot of simmering chicken broth. Allow them to infuse for a few minutes. Then, add your sliced chicken breast or thighs to the broth and cook until they are just tender and fully cooked through. Once the chicken is cooked, it's time to add the vegetables and adjust the seasoning. Stir in your favorite mushrooms, like straw or oyster mushrooms, and have cherry tomatoes. Squeeze in fresh lime juice for that essential tangy kick. Finally, season the soup with fish sauce to taste and a small amount of chili paste if you prefer a spicier broth. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Your delicious Tom Yum chicken soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it piping hot, perhaps alongside a bowl of fluffy steamed jasmine rice to complete the meal. Remember, you can always customize the spice level by adding more or less chili paste according to your preference. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.